Thanksgiving Day. Thanksgiving Day is a time to thank God for the good things in our life. Thanksgiving Day. Turkey. I eat turkey on Thanksgiving. Turkey. Pumpkin. We cooked a pumpkin for Thanksgiving dinner. Pumpkin. Apple pie. She baked a sweet apple pie for dessert. Apple pie. Pumpkin pie. We eat pumpkin pie on Thanksgiving. Pumpkin pie. Cranberry sauce. Turkey tastes better with cranberry sauce. Cranberry sauce. Family gathering. We had a warm family gathering last night. Family gathering. Harvest. Thanksgiving celebrates the harvest of the year. Harvest. Feast. The Thanksgiving feast brings everyone together. Feast. Roast turkey. We enjoyed a delicious roast turkey for dinner. Roast turkey. Tradition. This is an old tradition in our family. Tradition. Gratitude. I feel deep gratitude for everything I have. Gratitude. Table setting. The table setting looked beautiful for the dinner. Table setting. Autumn. I love the colors of autumn. Autumn. Corn. We often eat corn at Thanksgiving dinner. Corn. Parade. We watched the Thanksgiving parade on TV. Parade. Mashed potatoes. We eat mashed potatoes with turkey. Mashed potatoes.